Hello student, welcome to all in Sikander physics classes. Now in this class we are going to discuss the correctness. Correctness, that means how we can check the dimensional equation. Suppose that you have any equations and that equation you can check that is correct or not. Okay, by the dimensional formula. And we have discussed the dimensional formula, dimensional equations. Yes? Okay, very good. And dimensions of physical quantity. And related that once you have one question, suppose that check the dimensional consistency. You have to check it. Okay? Equation is given Fs equal to half mva square minus half mu square, where s is distance moved, u and v are initial and final velocity. Okay? Of a body mass m, F is the force acting on it. Everything is mentioned in the question, only you have to put, but you know that one thing you remember already we have discussed. Suppose that if you have equation, in that equation if there is the addition or subtractions, don't add or subtract that equations, you have to take the particulars. Is it correct? So separately one terms you will take and you will find out the dimensional formula, that is equal or not, and find, and last you will compare these. Okay, so you see that, so here is one term, second term and third terms, and like that you have to take out. So suppose that the dimensional formula of Fs. What is the Fs? F you can write here, Fs, that is the force into displacement. Yes, can we write here? And force, you know what is the formula? Mass into acceleration, and this is the displacement. Okay, and mass you measure in kg, very good. Acceleration you measure in meter per second square, and displacement measure in meter. Now you can combine this one, so here will be kg meter square s minus 2. Can we write like that? Okay, very good. And finally kg for m, capital M, m for L, s for t, and power will remain same, and give the square bracket. You got the dimensional formula of Fs. Similarly dimensional formula of half mv square. Okay, so what you will write? Half into m, that is the mass, v square, that is the velocity. Which velocity? Final velocity. So you can write here final velocity and then whole square. Okay, so half you can write here, mass you measure in kg, final velocity, that is the velocity you measure in what? Meter per second, and here is whole square, so give the whole square. Can we write here? Okay, so you can break these ones, half kg, and here will be multiply this one, so here will be meter square and s minus 2. Can we write? And you know that if there is any numericals, any trigonometrical function, exponential, it has no dimension. Okay, so half will not. Okay, it has no dimension, so you can write kg for m, m for L, s for t, and power will remain same. Okay, so you can see the students, this is the dimensional formula of half mv square, and this is the dimensional formula of Fs. You see m L2 t minus 2, here is also m L2 t minus 2. So both terms having the same. Now you have to find out the third terms. Also you will find dimensional formula of half m u square. So means you will write half into mass, same process, that is the initial velocity. Okay, and then whole square. So what is the same process? Mass you will measure in kg, very good. Initial velocity, that is the velocity, so you will write here meter per second and then whole square, because power is here. Okay, so half kg meter square, because square is here, and s minus 2. So you will write yes. What is the time? Finally you will measure in the dimensional form. So you will write kg for m, m for l, s for t. Power will remain same. Okay students, now you see in all cases, one case, second case and third case, all having the same dimensional formula. So this equation is correct or not? Okay, very good. This equation is correct. So you will write thus this equation is correct. Correct. Okay. All having same dimensional formula. Okay. M L2 T minus 2. So this equation is correct. Is it? Okay. Such type of questions you can solve. Okay. Can you solve? Okay. Next questions we have on, according to that we will discuss. But according to, okay, this methods, another questions you can solve. Okay student. So please subscribe my channels, increase my channels, and continue, and definitely answer such type of questions I will solve on the boards. Okay, thank you.